welcome back to my channel. This is the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes, and I am Carol. So welcome and karibu sana. Today I have a very interesting video. It's almost the same as the previous video where I combined two books to make a dinner or just to create a recipe. But today I'm combining two books from different authors. I'm using Dr. Gandhi's book, The Plum Paradox, Quick and Easy. There we're going to pick our spices, our seafood spice, the one we made last time. I'm going to use this seafood spice. We made it last time in the previous video, so I'm going to use it for my fish today. And this book today I have another book. It's called Vegetable. I thrifted this book from a thrift store. So I just saw the book. I was like, wow, vegetables, that's interesting. And we are going to try and make the glazed carrots. Hey! Ebu, look at that. So that's what we are going to make today. We are going to make the glazed carrots, and then we'll have them with some fish fillet. And for the fish fillet, we are going to use Dr. G's book, The Plum Paradox, Quick and Easy. And from there, we're going to pick our seafood spice. Go watch the previous video, you'll understand what I'm talking about. The first thing we're going to do is work on our fish. We're going to use the spices and a little bit olive oil. Then we put it in the fridge, we give it some hours. Then we'll be back later to put it in the oven and prepare our carrots, and voila, food will be ready. I can't wait to try. I've never tried anything from this book, so today will be the first time. Wow, I was like, they look really interesting. Look at that. So come along. So this is our fish. It's clean and I've dried it, so there's no water. Our mixture and some olive oil. Back a few hours later. Then here is our fish. We need to bake it. Here is our fish, so it will bake for some time. Then we start preparing our glazed carrots. Yes. So the point is giving the fish some head start so that it can start. By the time it's ready, also your carrots will be ready. So we're using unsalted butter. You need to check the book to see the quantity. We're going to let it melt when we go to the next step. The next thing we need to add is some sugar, but I'll not use sugar, I'll use monk fruit sweetener. So that's what I'll use. A little bit of ginger. Then in goes our carrots. Some salt to taste. The book says we cook it for a minute or two. The next step will be adding some water. The book says you just add water to cover the carrots a bit. And then we let it cook for around 5 minutes. So we'll cover and return our heat to high. Let's check on our carrots. Whoa. Wow. Need to put some parsley. I don't have parsley. I have cilantro. Dhania. That's what I'm going to use. And we are done. Look at that. Hey, yay.